Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Motorola One 5G Ace. And to do this, let's open up our settings. Right here we can go for the system and gestures. So right here, first thing is double press power key, and you can choose to launch assistant or open a camera with it. I'm gonna go with assistant, and let's try to double press it. And as you can see, the Google Assistant pops up. Next one is system navigation, and here you can change between 3 buttons or gesture navigations on your system for this device. And yeah, I'm just gonna go with gesture navigations. Prevent ringing, and if you click on it, you'll be able to change it. Press power and volume up together to change it to vibrate or mute. Let's go for the vibrate and try to toggle it. So power up, power volume up, and power. And the phone is in vibrate. Let's change it to mute. It's in mute mode. Next one is a power menu, show device controls, and if you enable it, you'll be able to access controls for connected devices by holding the power key. If we hold it for a few seconds, here pops up, we have the power menu pops up. We can do emergency call, power off, or restart our phone. There's also Google Pay, and we can add our card to this next one. Next one is 3-finger screenshot. If you enable it, you can take the screenshot by swiping down 3 fingers on your screen. Let's go back and try it like that. For some reason it doesn't detect my fingers, but here you can see the presentation on how to do it. Oh, okay, so it wasn't swiped down as usual, you just need to press it. So as you can see, it works fine. Next one, fast torch, and if you shake your phone, it should power on the torch or a flashlight, however you call it. Let's try it out. Yeah, and to disable it, you need to make the same motion. Quick capture, so you can twist your phone twice quickly to open a camera at any time. Let's see if it works. Yeah, here we have the camera. You also feel the vibration on your phone when you're doing any of these motions. Swipe to split, so if you swipe your finger from left to right and back again, keep your finger on the screen until you complete the gesture. Let's enable it. And it should split our phone in half, kind of. So let's try it. This app doesn't support the split screen, but okay, it works fine like this. And that's all of the gestures and motions on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.